What's up guys, I'm here again at Ayala Center, Cebu, and I'm going to meet Cebu YouTubers and asan na sila? So unfortunately, wala sila dito. Wala sila sa pikas ng Starbucks, so ito ta. So guys, finally they're here. We are here at Starbucks New Wing. So I'll grab some coffee because I'm sleeping. I just finished edited my vlog for my vlog yesterday.
Hi guys! So inspired as now vlogger. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and share channels. Let's go, go, go. We're having. Where is he?
Opa! Bye!
Sample.
Yeah, my name is Tiffany, aka Maddie Beats, and I'm a female beatboxer. Okay, there are two types of beatboxers, guys.
Yay! That was amazing. Let's teleport in 3, 2, 1. And yes, we are here at Marriott Hotel for 4th of July Media and Vlogger Foodies Dinner Buffet. The best part of the vlog, kain na na. And I'm full. Tanawa ang tiyan. Hi. Tawa si Kuya. Hi. You're in the vlog. Good thing I wore black today because hindi maklaro ako ang tiyan. Tiyan. Yes. And meet Chef Buano. Guys, I'm at the lobby of the Marriott Hotel and look who I found. It's my favorite local band. It's the Fortunes! So you check out their page, Fortune Cebu, and they're an awesome band actually guys, so check it out. Yes guys, that's it for tonight, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe and see you in the next vlog!